Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing how you can turn off all the notification on your iPhone. It is actually very easy. What you need to do here, just slide down from here. As you can see that there is a focus mode here. Just tap on this and it will show you these options. The do not disturb mode tells you that silence all the notifications. It is when you put this mode or you are screen recording or doing anything focus and you don't want to get disturbed from any notification, you can put your phone into do not disturb mode here, and by doing so it will automatically show the sign here which shows that you are on a focus mode, and it will not show you any notification. Like for example, you are recording your screen and don't want any notification to pop up while doing this, you can put your phone into do not disturb mode, and it will automatically disable all the notification for a while. And if you want to exit from this mode, just tap on this again and it will automatically remove this. And if you want to turn off all the notification on your iPhone permanently or for a specific app, what you need to do is just go to the settings here. After going to the settings, scroll down and there's a notification option here. Tap on it, and as you go to the notification option, there's an each app with its own notification. You can just select one by one which app you want to turn off the notification of permanently. For example, I'll go on this app, and as you can see, I have already turned off all the notification from this app. I can turn off any notification from any app. For example, I will turn off the notification of for example, this game Call of Duty. Just go over there and you can just simply put this and it will not show you any notification from this app. So that's how you can go one by one to the app and turn off all the notification. I hope this sort out your problem, and thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.